Gyda'r holl gaea 3G sy'n bodoli yn uwch gyngrair Cymru erbyn hyn, nid yn aml iawn dwi'n cael cyfle i wisgo'n Wellingtons bellach, ond heddiw dwi lawr ar y fferm i gwrdd â Dave Jones, golwr Y Drenewydd. Well, Dave, I bet there's not many other shot stoppers who get home from the game and then they have to get busy in the lambing shed.
I know, yeah, it's just, I suppose, a different job, I suppose, isn't it? But it's more of a lifestyle than a job. Even to farming sometimes, so especially this time of year, it's lambing. So I went to university, like originally doing sports, but also I realised being a PE teacher wasn't for me. So I came home then about, say, like 22, so 6 years ago, and been here ever since, really.
It's quite a demanding job. How does that work with your commitments with Newtown?
Yeah, it's not so bad. Like Chris knows, like what sort of job I do, so he knows I was a bit late on Saturday, but he didn't mind so much. I let him know, so he's pretty good that way. He understands. So if it's cheap lambing, you've got to deal with it there and then, rather than can't tell to stop, can you? So
does a day that you've had at work affect your game, perhaps?
Yeah, sometimes. Like, say if I've had a bit of a temperamental day at work, obviously got to change my mindset then, and trying to get to the game, you've got to change your attitude a little bit and try and focus on the game rather than work. And so.
Tell me about this current Newtown side, because obviously there's quite a few changes at the beginning of the season. You lost a few characters.
Obviously there's been a lot of changes. Like we lost like Jace, lost Shane, and they're big lads to go missing, especially like obviously when Fletch left, his whole spine of the team went really. But obviously Fletcher's come back, so it's good to have him back. He's playing well. And then Reedy's unlucky, he got injured, and sadly he'll be out for the season. But it's not just the playing side. Obviously you lose a lot of players from the change room, and they're big characters in the change room, so it's big change in that sort of sense.
And now obviously you've got this massive Welsh Cup semi-final to look forward to.
Yeah, it's going to be a big thing. Like I say, we were in the final a few years ago, and just say hopefully this year we haven't got TNS to play again, so hopefully we can get through the next round and get to the final again. Be a nice big day out again.
And of course, you know what it's like to have played in a Welsh Cup final and to have lost.
It was a big day that day. We made a big thing for the club, and it was obviously nice to play at home. There's plenty of fans there. And it's a bit gutting to obviously losing the final, but when it's playing its team, it's TNS, it's always going to be hard, isn't it? Hopefully this year with TNS out of the equation, it'll be a bit more fun.
You're in the semi-final against Aberystwyth too. It's a bit of a mid-Wales derby. Yeah,
it's a local derby. It'll be a bigger game then, and so yeah, hopefully there'll be quite a few fans there watching as well. That's what we're hoping for, that's what we're playing for this year now. Hopefully we'll try and push for 7th, but Welsh Cup finals are focused, I think.
Well, Dave, obviously you've got plenty of work to be getting on with, so I'll let you get on, but thank you very much for the chat. Diolch yn fawr.
Thank you very much.